Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of Labubu from PopMart. This is the Pin for Love series, and if you notice, there are two versions for you to choose from. One is the A to M series and the other is the N to Z series. So without further ado, I know you guys came here for the unboxing, and so let's do it together. So let's slice up the outer layer packaging, which is made of plastic. This is really tightly sealed, so that's the good thing about PopMart. And if you notice, what is different about this time's Labubu is that the sizing of the Labubu is going to be much smaller compared to the larger original size. And in terms of pricing, it is just a few dollars cheaper. Not much of a difference. Take a look at this. There are so many colors. This is N. So how many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7 at the top and 7 at the bottom. Okay, let's do the unboxing. So if you remember, just now I mentioned this is the M to Z series. Here's our first box. There are plenty to unbox. Here's the secret. Hopefully we get the secret. So I'm going to unbox this really quickly because there are too many to be unboxed. Look at this, the packaging. It comes like this. It's a drawstring. We've got here the orange Labubu, which is the Z, alphabet Z. Here's the next one. Okay, here we go. Alright, this one is the green color. The green one belongs to V. V for Vietnam, V for violin, V for fan. So if you notice, the alphabets are all mixed up, okay? In the box display, they don't come nicely organized. So we have got the Z, we have got the V. The third one, here we have, what is this? The AND, A-N-D, AND. But unfortunately, this is not the secret. I wonder how the secret looks like. Probably is something greenish gray, if I'm not wrong. So I've got the V, the AND. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, this is the S. S for snow. S for snoring. S for sympathy. S for symphony. And S for Selena. So somebody with the name S that begins with S, you can have the S. Next up we have the T. T is purplish in color. T for names like Teresa, Tina, T for Thailand. Next up, we have P. What are the names? P. Patricia, Patrick, Pansy. These are the names that begin with P. Next box. This is very, very tightly sealed. This is really tightly sealed. Okay, got it. Here's the next one. Let's see what. Okay, this is for O. O is slightly bluish purplish tint in the color. So what are the names that begin with O? O for Osman, O for Oscar, the next box we have here. Okay, this is the red one. This is X. What are the names that begin with X? X for Xavier. Instrument, X for xylophone. Okay, this box is pretty easy to open. Let's see what we have got. Okay, this is W. Can you think of names that begin with W? W for William. W for Will. W for Wilson. Next box, we have Y. Y is slightly like yellowish in color. If you notice, I think it's like a sticker. It's not exactly like a card, but it's actually a peel-off sticker that you can stick onto your notebook. So it's quite cool because earlier on they were all cards, but this time round PopMart is giving it as a form of sticker and you can utilize it. Okay, next one we have here is U. U is slightly peachy in tone. U for umbrella. And for name, I can think of U for Uma. That's a name. Next box we have, my favorite is R, the black color Labubu. Love it. R. There are many names that begin with R. For example, Rose. You have Rose. That's a name that begins with R. Rina. Rina is also beginning with R. Rachel. The name Rachel. Okay, next we have a pink one. It is Q. Q. Quentin. Yes. I can think of the name Quentin that begins with Q. And what have we got here? It's the last box of Pink for Love Mini Labubu. Do we have the secret? Not exactly. Okay, we have N. N for Norway, N for Ninja. N's color is somehow similar to U. So this is N. Oh, Z. I think it's closer to Z. This is N. And this is Z. I think their color is somehow similar. Yeah. Shall we open it up? Let's take a look at N. Oh, this is a nice color. This is really beautiful. It's pinkish red, and it's a very nice hue of pink. Very nice. And you can see the alphabet N at the back. It's really cute. Yep, I love this. I love it very much. Okay guys, that's all for my unboxing today. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. If you love this kind of video, please click on the subscribe button for more unboxing to come. And remember to click on the like button as well. Bye guys.